medical marijuana card, that there can be a civil violation for that.
Lieutenant Michelle Williams has been with the Santa Fe Police Department for 15 years.
This corridor, pretty much for the most part in graveyard hours, is a lot busier.
Her stint spans both the time before and after medical marijuana was legalized in New Mexico.
Have you seen an impact?
A little bit, yeah, I would say so.
For one, she says dispensaries that sell marijuana have been burglarized and robbed.
They have become somewhat of an easy target just because of the advertisement of what clearly is in the facility.
But when it comes to drug dealing and abuse, she says there's been no impact. Another area of concern calls to the Poison Center for marijuana exposures. They've increased 50% in the 8 years after medical marijuana was legalized compared to the 8 years before. While there have been no deaths, the largest group impacted is teens aged 13 to 19, some of whom have been hospitalized.
Obviously, the use or access to the product from adolescents is a huge concern.
75% of the 31,000 people currently enrolled in the New Mexico program are diagnosed with PTSD or chronic pain. They are difficult conditions for doctors to verify, leading some to speculate people are gaming the system.
The more cynical side of us probably would, but the way we look at it is these are folks that have a certified diagnosis from a licensed medical practitioner.
I get it. There are people that are very scared. I was.
Darren White is an Army vet who spent 30 years in law enforcement, including 7 as sheriff of Bernalillo County, which includes Albuquerque. During the push to legalize medical marijuana, he was opposed.
I just wasn't convinced that it was at that level yet where it could be just used medicinally. These other options, these are hard candies, lollipops, right down to kind of the specialty bonbon.
Now he's on the board of a nonprofit that grows and sells it, won over during his struggle during pain from injuries he received on the job.
It's a very good alternative to just a steady diet of painkillers. I can't even explain how much better it is.
Maze with an S though, right?
Lieutenant Williams says overall legalizing medical marijuana has made the job of policing easier and more effective, allowing officers to focus their efforts on more serious problems.
The things that really capture our attention and really monopolize our time are the things like heroin and meth where people are dying over it.